the Oppo Find X9 Pro for quite a few days now, and I'm just gonna give this a quick review, give you my thoughts on how the phone's been performing. Okay, we're currently plugged in at 95%. I'm gonna unplug. Got a few errands to run. Yeah, and we're gonna see how the phone does. Okay, it's been a few hours since I've unplugged the phone. Haven't been able to use it much, and I've only lost 1%. But as you can see, the glare outside is not as good as Samsung's latest phone. Lots of reflection in that panel, unfortunately. Okay, let's try some 4K 60 footage. 4K 60? Yeah, you can.
Baby, come. Yay! What a beautiful!
You don't want to be in the video, Mr. Squidward. One time zoom, 2 time zoom, 3 time zoom. In daylight the camera is quite good, not much to complain about. And 6 time zoom. Did I think the camera would be better? Yeah, I did. I'm not seeing what the rave reviews are at the moment, but don't get me wrong, the camera is good. 10 time zoom. And this is the maximum 18 time zoom. Now that time video doesn't blow me away. Okay, this is some 4K 30 footage. How does my voice come out through the microphone? Maybe it's something in the settings I haven't done properly, but well, you judge for yourself. Very mediocre. Yeah, I'm hoping this is something they improve in future updates. Okay, now we're going to have a look at some benchmarks. Okay, let's have a look at the 3D Mark benchmark and look at that score. That stability score is incredible, 91%. In comparison, the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max only scored a 64% with its stability score. Okay, and moving on to Geekbench 6, we can see very good score. Similar score to the Xiaomi, but the Snapdragon does beat it there. And then finally, Antutu benchmark. Again, a good score. Similar to that of the 8 Gen 5. Very nice scores. Okay, and when it comes to games, no problems whatsoever. It's fluid. I hardly see any lags, and the battery life while playing is excellent. We've reached a stage where the hardware surpasses what the software needs. Okay, looking at battery life has been just absolutely phenomenal. I've got a few screenshots here of a few days of battery life. Now just look at that screen on time. The built-in battery app does not lie. Crazy screen on time. And the battery life does surpass that of the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, which has the same 7500 milliamp capacity, but of course has the different chip. I think this is the best battery life I've ever had on any phone. I also performed the same battery life test I performed in a previous video that included quite a few phones and the latest Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. You can find that video in the description below. But as you can see in the top right hand corner, when I did finish that previous battery life test, the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max had the best battery life with 60% remaining. I've done the exact same battery test on the Oppo Find X9 Pro, and that has 68% battery life remaining. A whole 8% more. That's incredible. So yeah, that was just a quick review of the Oppo Find X9 Pro, an excellent phone, and my sim is going to be residing in this phone for the foreseeable future. I do like it very much. I hope they improve the camera with the future updates. But once again, thanks for watching, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.